My name is Aronas Nagis. I am 21 years old and I am studying at HRC Culinary Academy. HRC Culinary Academy is located in Sofia in Bulgaria. I am studying the course of culinary arts. My story begins in high school when I was thinking what should I do after I finish school, and cooking, learning in Culinary Academy, it was the best option for me because it's my hobby for many years, so I pursued it. So far, yes, I'm loving it because it's my passion and I'm really feeling confident about pursuing my own dream. I chose this place because I heard it from my sister. Her friends finished this school and they were really happy about their education. Also, I did my research. I didn't choose this only because of culinary. I chose it because it's located in a beautiful place surrounded by mountains. Very mysterious for me because I'm from the seaside. I used to live near Baltic Sea, so it's totally different. The chef instructors are supportive. They are helping people if they're showing that they want to learn. So I think you have to think before you go on your path, and you really have to ask questions, why you're doing this, so it has a meaning for you, and I think it's the most important thing. I got to mention that my father, he was the one who showed me this way, that it is possible to cook from your soul, using your intuition, and not really measuring the ingredients, but just trusting the process, trusting with love, and trying different things, experimenting and doing your research, what works, what doesn't work. My professional dream would be to open my own place one day. It would be like a restaurant, but also inspirational place for people who want to achieve their healthiest physique and live their best lives. I want to become a chef so I can develop my own style in cooking. I can express my own imagination, visualize how I would love to serve food for other people, what I want to express. I would love to be an inventor and experiment. I think the person who would like to apply on HRC should consider at least these things such as discipline, patience, and trusting the process with confidence. If you are willing to explore different cuisines and travel the world, I think that HRC is really a good option for that. A place where people gather from all around the world, different countries, even Brazil, Asia, different parts of Europe. And I think this is what makes it interesting to share the experience, share the love of food together.